know how much you have asked God that where is that person? But mind you, as you are also wishing to have somebody, you are also somebody. Tell yourself, I am somebody. Tell it to yourself again for a second. Say, I am somebody. Yes. You know, one problem I have with some pastors, they will always share testimonies how they receive money. God bless you 20,000. God gave me 20 million. As I was preaching, I said, "Give me a car." Whom have you given, Pastor? A wounded sea. It's only a dead sea that always receives without giving out. And that's what you call a dead sea. Are you a dead brother? You need somebody. But where is the person? Now, in this life, there are people you must meet on your way. I categorize them into 10 different great people. I'm going to be discussing them in this series. I wish